Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
Have you ever felt a sound deep in your chest? A vibration that makes the air around you hum and demands every bit of your attention? It's like when you're watching an experiment. Maybe something Bill Nye is demonstrating, and a controlled pop or whoosh suddenly fills the space, making you jump a little, a thrill of wonder shooting through you. That kind of sound isn't just noise. It's a command, a presence. It's an undeniable force that makes you stop, listen, and feel. Sometimes, in our own lives, it can feel like our voices are just whispers lost in a vast, noisy world. Perhaps you've tried to explain something important or share a brilliant idea only to feel unheard, like your words simply dissipate before they reach anyone. It's a pain, that feeling of invisibility, of having a truth inside you that struggles to find its way out, a deep longing to be acknowledged, to have your presence truly felt. But what if there was a way to understand the power of a truly undeniable voice, a sound that inherently commands respect? Today, we're going deep into the heart of the wild to a sound that embodies this very power. The lion's roar. It's not just a loud noise. It's a living, breathing message, a complex symphony of air and vibration that travels across vast distances, shaping the very landscape of the savanna. We're not just going to talk about how loud it is, but why it resonates with such authority. It's like trying to understand the universe by looking at the stars, not just as tiny lights, but as immense, burning suns, each with its own story and purpose. Neil deGrasse Tyson often speaks of the cosmos with such reverence, helping us see the profound logic in what seems distant and abstract. The lion's roar, in its own way, holds a similar kind of cosmic logic, a natural law of communication. Forget any idea of boring animal facts. We're going to unravel the hidden science behind this incredible sound, turning any confusion into a spark of genuine curiosity. We'll explore the intricate mechanics of how a lion produces such a formidable sound, examining the very structures that allow it to project its presence with such force. It's an invitation to rethink what you know about animal communication, about power, and about the science of sound itself. Through this journey, we hope to connect with the spirit of inquiry, to understand how nature itself speaks with such clarity and command. What deeper truths about presence and communication might we uncover when we truly listen to the lion's roar? That silent frustration, the feeling of trying to protect something truly important to you, but feeling like your voice just isn't heard, like your boundaries are invisible to others. It's a profound ache, a constant worrying that what you value most might be encroached upon without anyone even noticing. Lions in the wild face a similar challenge, but their solution is far from silent. Their roar isn't just a sound. It's an unmistakable, powerful declaration, an announcement that echoes across the savanna, marking invisible territories with undeniable authority. We often imagine the animal kingdom as a place where might makes right, a simple struggle of strength. But this myth misses the incredibly subtle and sophisticated communication happening all the time. A lion's roar isn't just about showing off. It's a complex, energy-efficient way to control vast areas, to prevent conflicts before they even begin. Imagine the sheer effort it would take for a lion to physically patrol every inch of its territory every single day. Instead, they use sound, a brilliant application of physics and biology. This shatters the expectation that animal communication is simple, revealing a highly evolved system. The secret lies in a unique anatomical design. Unlike many other felines, lions possess a specially adapted larynx and vocal cords that allow them to produce incredibly deep, resonant frequencies. These low-frequency sounds travel much farther and penetrate dense foliage more effectively than higher-pitched calls. It's like a sonic fence, broadcasting private property for miles around, a constant reminder to rivals and intruders. This space is occupied. Scientists even use something called the sound map technique, deploying sensitive microphones across lion habitats to chart the reach and patterns of these roars, understanding how these acoustic declarations carve out invisible domains. Just as scientists map these sounds, you can apply a similar mapping logic in your own life, breaking down complex problems or large projects into smaller, understandable zones, giving clarity to what feels overwhelming. The roar becomes a living echo across the savanna, a powerful symbol of the invisible boundaries we all create and respect, whether in the vastness of nature or within our own personal space. It teaches us about the profound impact of clear, confident communication and the natural laws that govern presence. What could you communicate with such clarity that it commands respect, not through aggression, but through undeniable presence? We often think a loud sound is just loud, but what if there's a secret ingredient, a physics trick, that makes a lion's roar uniquely terrifying and incredibly effective? It's a deeper truth, much like how the power of a storm isn't just its volume, but the intricate atmospheric forces at play. Beware of the volume obsession error. Simply measuring how many decibels a sound produces can hide its true power. It's not just about loudness. It's how those decibels are crafted, shaped, and delivered. In our own lives, we sometimes feel the need to shout to be heard, when what truly commands attention is the clarity and depth of our message, the very essence of what we convey. Let's uncover the secret sauce of the lion's roar with a 3-step empirical sciences technique. First, consider its vocal fold anatomy ***. Lions have unique, fat-rich vocal cords. These specialized structures stretch and vibrate at incredibly low frequencies, creating that signature deep, guttural sound. Second, think about their *** resonance chambers ***. The shape of a lion's larynx and throat acts like a perfectly designed amplifier, boosting these low frequencies and giving the roar its immense carrying power and rich texture. And third, we find ***, the infrasound edge ***. Some parts of a lion's roar are so low in frequency that they fall below human hearing. You don't just hear them, you feel them in your chest, in your very bones. This infrasound triggers a primal, instinctual fear, bypassing conscious thought and speaking directly to ancient parts of our brain. This journey beyond simple loudness helps us understand why focusing only on volume can sabotage our deeper understanding of sound. It teaches us to listen for the quality of sound, for the intricate layers that create true impact. Like a perfectly tuned instrument, the lion's vocal apparatus is a marvel of biological engineering. Its roar is a symphony of physics, a felt presence that transcends mere hearing, echoing the profound impact of unseen forces in our world. What unseen forces, what qualities beyond the surface, might be shaping the most powerful messages around you? Have you ever felt misunderstood, or like your true feelings weren't truly coming across, even when you tried your hardest to express them? It's a quiet ache, this feeling of your inner message being lost in translation. Lions, through their powerful roars, convey complex messages that go far beyond just a simple "I'm here." Their vocalizations are a rich tapestry of information, a language of the wild that speaks volumes to those who understand its nuances. Myths often suggest that animals communicate only through simple barks or growls, underestimating their sophisticated emotional intelligence. But a single lion's roar isn't just one thing. It can be a stern warning to a rival, a comforting call to reunite with family members, or a clear declaration of dominance to assert their presence. It's like the difference between a simple statement and a deeply felt poem. Both use words, but one carries far more emotional weight and specific intent. This shatters the expectation that animal sounds are purely instinctual and undifferentiated. The roar's pitch, its duration, and even the subtle cracks or variations in the sound carry distinct information. Think of it like the different tones in a human voice. A rising inflection can convey curiosity, a sharp, clipped tone might signal anger, and a soft, drawn-out sound can express sadness or comfort. In the same way, a short, sharp roar might mean immediate danger, while a long, drawn-out call could be a way to locate pride members scattered across a vast landscape. What the story of the lion's varied roars reveals is the profound power of nuanced communication. We can explore how different roars, long, short, staccato, serve very different purposes, each precisely tuned for its role. This teaches us a crucial lesson that how we say something, the tone, the timing, the subtle inflections can be just as important, if not more important, than what we actually say. It's about the full spectrum of expression. The lion's roar, this primal form of expression, reminds us that true power lies not just in sheer volume, but in the clarity, the intent, and the emotional precision of our communication. It's a sonic poem of survival, family, and authority, echoing the deep truths of connection and presence in the natural world. How might you bring more nuance and clear intent to your own voice, ensuring your true message resonates with those around you? That feeling of confusion or anxiety when a loud, unexpected sound makes you jump. It's not just you. It's your ancient brain responding to a lion-level threat, even if you're perfectly safe, perhaps just watching a video. This visceral reaction reveals a deep, protective instinct woven into our very being, a primal alarm system that has kept our ancestors safe for millennia. The common distortion is to see fear as a weakness, but fear is actually a powerful survival mechanism, a natural law. The lion's roar taps directly into it, bypassing conscious thought and triggering an immediate, automatic response. This is nature's efficient design for survival. Here's a shattered expectation. It's not just the sound that triggers us, but often the absence of other sounds that can make a roar even more impactful. Imagine the stillness of the savanna just before dusk, then suddenly the earth-shattering roar. That sudden silence preceding the roar amplifies its effect, a hunter's trick built into the very fabric of nature. It creates a stark contrast, making the roar pierce through the calm, demanding absolute attention. Sometimes our quest for quick rewards or fun facts can make us overlook deeper biological truths. Instead, let's dive into the amygdala's role. This small, almond-shaped part of your brain is the command center for processing emotions like fear. When a lion's roar hits your ears, it sends a direct, high-speed signal to your amygdala, triggering a primal fight or flight response. Your body prepares to either confront the danger or escape it, even when you're completely safe in your home. This reaction is a testament to the deep, evolutionary connection we share with the natural world. The roar is like a ghost in the machine, an ancient signal that awakens our deepest instincts. It symbolizes how our bodies hold a memory of the wild, a powerful reminder that even in our modern world, these primal forces can still stir us, connecting us to a history far older than any written record. What other ancient alarms might be silently influencing your daily responses, waiting to be understood? Have you ever felt a pang of inadequacy when confronting complex scientific ideas? Thinking you can't actually do anything practical with them? It's a quiet frustration, this feeling of disconnect between knowledge and application. Just knowing about the lion's roar isn't enough to truly grasp its power. To genuinely understand it, we need to move beyond passive observation and into active experimentation. This is the spirit of inquiry, the heart of how great minds inspire us by making science something you do. Today, we're going to bridge that gap. We'll undertake a symbolic exercise to discover, explore, and test the principles of low-frequency sound, directly applying the mechanics of a lion's powerful vocalization. We'll use common household items to mimic aspects of how a lion generates its formidable sound, demonstrating firsthand how vocal cords and resonance chambers work. For a practical transformation, let's try a simple DIY experiment. Grab a paper cup, a piece of string, and a wet paper towel. Poke a small hole in the bottom of the cup. thread the string through and tie a knot so it won't pull out. Now, hold the cup upside down, dampen the paper towel, and pinch it around the string near the cup. As you pull the wet paper towel down the string, you'll create a surprisingly deep, resonant sound. The string vibrates like the lion's vocal cords, and the cup acts as a resonance chamber, amplifying the sound. This simple technique helps you understand concepts like vibration and amplification firsthand. Like a small ripple creating a powerful wave, even simple objects can produce surprising sounds. This experiment is your own mini roar you can hold in your hand, symbolizing the immense potential for powerful expression that lies within every curious mind. It reminds us that the logic of the universe isn't just out there, in the vastness of space or the wild savanna. It's also here, within our grasp, waiting to be discovered. What other hidden powers might everyday objects hold, just waiting for your curiosity to unlock them? Stay curious. We've journeyed through the wild heart of the savanna, not just to marvel at a creature, but to truly listen. We started with that quiet ache, the feeling of having something vital to express, but fearing your voice might be lost, unheard, or simply dismissed. Sometimes it feels like our deepest truths are just whispers, too fragile to stand against the roar of the world. But the lion's roar, in its profound truth, has shown us a path to understanding the nature of true presence. Just like Ibarra the Norio, with his ingenious experiments, shows us how everyday objects hold incredible scientific secrets. The lion's roar reveals that even a sound can be a complex, living system of biology, physics, and sophisticated communication. We dissected its unique vocal folds, felt the infrasound in our bones, decoded its nuanced messages, and understood how it triggers an ancient alarm system within us. We learned that true power isn't merely about being loud, but about purpose, resonance, and the respect that arises from an undeniable, authentic presence. Remember that simple mini-roar experiment we did with a cup and string? That wasn't just a fun trick. It was a symbolic practice, a tangible way to hold the principles of the lion's power in your own hand. It showed you that even from humble beginnings, with understanding and intent, a resonant sound can be created. This echoes a deeper truth. The universe speaks in principles, and when we align with them, we can craft our own impactful expressions. So, the next time you hear a powerful sound, or even when you feel that familiar pang of wanting to be truly heard, remember the lion. Let its roar be a reminder that every voice, when understood and used with clarity and purpose, can truly command respect and spark curiosity in the world around us. Your voice carries a unique echo, a specific frequency meant to resonate. What truth, what wonder, what question will you unleash with your own purposeful roar? Stay curious, keep exploring, keep questioning. The world is waiting to hear your unique sound.